What are rational numbers and irrational numbers? In this video, I will teach you a new chapter in the KSSM syllabus and we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you would like to improve in your maths and Addmaths skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at what is a rational number. What is a rational number? A rational number is a number that can be written as a ratio of two integers. For example, a simple fraction. Let's look at these examples. Is 1.5 a rational number? Yes, because 1.5 you can change it into a fraction, which is 3 over 2. So I'm going to write here, yes, okay, because 1.5 is equivalent to 3 over 2. So therefore, 1.5 is a rational number. Okay, next, is 8 a rational number? Yes, because 8 you can change it into a fraction, which is 8 over 1. So yes, so 8 equals to 8 over 1. Okay, next, is 0.3333 a rational number? Yes, okay, because you can write it as a fraction, which is 0.3333, okay, which is equivalent to 1 over 3. So therefore, 0.3333 is a rational number. Let's look at more examples. A. Rational numbers in limited digit form. Okay, 0.6 is a rational number because we can change it into a fraction. So 0.6 is equals to 6 over 10. So when we simplify this, we'll get 3 over 5. So therefore, 0.6 is a rational number. Okay, next, number 2. 1.36 is a rational number because we can change it into a fraction. Okay, so it's 136 over 100, okay, is equals to, so we simplify this, we get 34 over 25. Okay, so therefore 1.36 is also a rational number. Okay, next, 2.75. So we're going to change this into a fraction, which is 275 over 100. Okay, so we simplify this, we get 11 over 4. So therefore 2.75 is also a rational number. Okay, next, for B, rational numbers in recurring numbers or repeating decimals. Okay, number 1, 0.3 with a bar on top, which means that the digit 3 is repeated. Okay, so it means that it's 0.3333 and is equals to 1 over 3. Okay, so therefore it is a rational number. Okay, next, 0.75 with a bar on top of 7 and 5, which means that the digits 7 and 5 are repeated. So which means it's 0.757575, okay, and it's equals to 25 over 33. So therefore, it's also a rational number. What are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be written as a ratio of two integers. Let's look at these examples. The value of pi. So pi is a very famous irrational number because many people have calculated the value of pi to a quadrillion decimal places and they still couldn't find any pattern of it. And the value of pi is 3.14159265358 and so on. So this is the value of pi. Okay, next is E. E is a Euler's number, and for this one also is a very famous irrational number whereby many people have calculated it to a lot of decimal places and there's still no pattern showing. And the value of the Euler's number is 2.7182818284. Okay? And next will be the square root. Many square root numbers and cube root numbers are irrational numbers, but not all. Okay? So let's look at one of the square root number, which is an irrational number. cert2. Okay, cert2, square root 2, when we use the calculator to calculate, we'll get a decimal number. 1.4142, 1356, 237, and so on. So for this, right, we cannot see any pattern of it, so therefore it's an irrational number. Okay? Okay, let's look at this. When we multiply two irrational numbers, okay, for example, pi times with pi, we'll get pi square. And this is an irrational number. Okay, but if we use cert2 times with cert2, we'll get 2. And 2 is a rational number. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned to my next video, which is Law of Certs, coming up soon. Bye!